turmeric tender chicken breast.
Eat what you love and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice my chicken breasts in half. Then I'm gonna add some delicious pepper, a tablespoon of yogurt each one, and a mix of dried herbs that I have some thyme, oregano, and rosemary from my home herbs. A little square of turmeric, and I close my chicken breast. Then I add a little bit more of pepper on top, and the chicken you can add a tiny bit of salt. It can freeze with the salt, no problem. If you have any fresh herb, you can add it too. I'm adding cilantro to the other breast, but if you use fresh herbs, remember to use a lot more because fresh herbs are not as potent as the dried herbs, and especially the ones that you dry your own, because like I dry mine at home so that when I cut them off, I always have them and make some mixes and delicious. So you're ready to freeze them. Today, we're gonna cook them on a grill. We're gonna preheat our grill to 360 to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I put a weight on top of my breast so that it cooks evenly the center and the sides. And I cook it for 3 minutes on each side. That's it. You have a delicious chicken breast and 2 minutes if it's chicken tenders.
Hagan en su casa.
With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy!